Let me show you how to create a sunburst background in Adobe Photoshop. First go to Select and Subject. Press Ctrl J to cut the subject from its background. Double-click on this and rename it Subject. Disable the layer. Select the background. Click on the Adjustment layer and create a gradient fill. Click the gradient bar. Open the Basics folder and choose Black and White preset. Click the lower left stop. Open the color box and type in 0, 0, 7, 8, C, and D. Click the lower right stop. Open the color box again and type in C, 9, D, E, F, and 1. Then click OK on both windows. The style is radial. The angle is 90 degree. I'll increase the scale to 308%. Make sure reverse is checked. Then click OK. Create a new layer. Open your gradient tool. Click gradient bar at the top. Open the Basics folder and choose Foreground to Transparent preset. Make sure foreground color is black. Then click OK. Select the linear gradient box at the top. Hold the Shift key on the keyboard to make a perfect straight line. Double-click on this and rename it Sunburst. Then right-click and convert to Smart Object. Go to Filter, Distort, and Wave. I'll make the numbers of generators 16. The wavelength is 300 and 301. The amplitude is 313 and 314. And finally the scale is 100 by 100. I'm going to set the wave type to square, and the undefined areas is repeat edges pixels. Then click OK. Go back to Filter, Distort, and Polar Coordinates. Then select Rectangular to Polar. Change the blend mode to Soft Light. Now enable the subject. Press Ctrl T to free transform. Adjust the size and position like so. Hit Enter once you're satisfied. Select the Sunburst layer. I'll decrease the opacity to 85%. And that's it for today. Thanks for watching.